Welcome to Sapa Nature View Hotel, your tranquil retreat in the heart of Sapa. Before we dive in, if you're ready to book your own escape to this beautiful destination, check the description below or scan the QR code on screen for direct bookings. Nestled amidst the breathtaking landscapes of Sapa, Vietnam, the Sapa Nature View Hotel offers a serene experience for travelers seeking both comfort and adventure. Our prime location provides stunning views of the surrounding mountains and lush valleys, making us an ideal base for exploring the natural beauty and rich culture of this enchanting region. Check-in is easy, starting from 2 p.m., and you can enjoy your stay until checkout at 12 p.m. Each cozy room is designed with relaxation in mind, ensuring every guest feels right at home. Families are particularly welcome. Our child policy allows children aged 1 to 2 to stay free of charge. Experience the charm and hospitality of Sapa Nature View Hotel, where every moment is infused with the magic of this remarkable destination. One of the highlights of the hotel is our exquisite garden, a tranquil oasis perfect for relaxation. Lush and verdant, the garden is meticulously landscaped, featuring a variety of native plants and flowers that bloom vibrantly throughout the seasons, creating a picturesque setting ideal for leisure. For your convenience, we offer complimentary breakfast to fuel your day of exploration, and free Wi-Fi throughout the hotel ensures you stay connected. Ready to book your stay? Don't forget, the link is in the description and the QR code is on screen. We can't wait to welcome you to Sapa Nature View Hotel.